in today's video you guys are going to be going on this RC car and going for a ride. So hope y'all enjoy the ride. Crap, my tape. Alright, Sorry guys, I just gotta get the tape on. There we go. Alright, you guys enjoy. I'm gonna take it out. Guys, stay on. Gotta delete this clip.